How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to show you how to transfer money abroad from your Starling Bank account. So it's actually pretty straightforward and you can do it all from the Starling app. So first, open up your Starling Bank app and log in. So from the main dashboard, you then have to tap on payments and then choose international payments. So this is where all your overseas transfers happen. Next, you're then going to have to enter the recipient's details. That means their full name, IBAN, BIC, SWIFT code, and the bank's country. So simply make sure everything is accurate because international transfers can be reversed easily. And after that, you then have to enter the amount you want to transfer and select the currency you're sending it in. So Starling will show you the exchange rate and any fees up front so you know exactly what the recipient will get. So before confirming, you also have to double check all the details, then finally tap send. And your transfer will then be processed. So Starling usually handles international payments pretty quickly, depending on the country and bank, of course. So you can also track the transfer in the app so you know when it's been received. And that's it. So sending money abroad with Starling is pretty fast and secure. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.